In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an event in Google Calendar using your desktop or web browser. So grab your device and let's get started, shall we? Google Calendar is an incredibly versatile tool, and knowing how to efficiently duplicate events within it can save you time and ensure you don't forget essential details when planning future activities. First, we need to open Google Calendar. You can do this by visiting your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Calendar's website. Ensure that you're signed in with the appropriate account. Once you're there, the interface should display your schedule, including days, weeks, and months. This is your hub for keeping track of all your personal and professional commitments. Now, browse through your calendar and click on the event you'd like to copy. This event could be a meeting, an appointment, or any other scheduled activity that you want to replicate. Clicking on it will bring up a small pop-up window displaying the event's details. In this pop-up window, you'll notice an options menu, often represented by 3 vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu, which opens up a host of different options for you. Click on it to reveal these choices. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Duplicate. By selecting Duplicate, Google will create a new version of the original event. However, this new event is in edit mode, allowing you to make necessary changes without altering the original one. Now take this opportunity to modify the event details to suit your needs. This includes changing the title, updating the date and time, the location if it's different, and any other particular details. Remember, you want to ensure that the duplicated event reflects exactly what you're planning. After you've customized these details to your liking, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually represented by a checkmark icon located in the upper right corner of the window. Hover over it and give it a click. This action will save your duplicated event to your calendar with all the necessary updates. And voila, you've successfully copied an event in Google Calendar. This method is simple and efficient, making it an invaluable skill for managing your schedule. Being able to duplicate events means you can plan recurring meetings with ease, schedule repeat appointments, or create templates for frequently similar events. So take advantage of this feature and keep your digital calendar organized and your life a bit more streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!